It's 7 p.m. in the Kennedy household. Amelia, age 4, just dumped a tower of blocks on the floor again. Dr. Becky leans in, not with a scold but curiosity. Why is Amelia so upset? Beneath the chaos is a question every parent senses but rarely hears. What if my child is good inside even when they act out? That question will change everything. So many parenting books start with rules, but Dr. Becky flips that script. The core idea: every child is good inside even in their worst moments. This isn't naive, it's transformative. When Amelia throws her blocks, Dr. Becky doesn't punish. She whispers, "You're upset. What's going on?" Instead of labeling the behavior bad, she spots fear underneath, the worry about bedtime without her favorite blanket. This moment cracked the usual cycle of frustration and opened space for connection. Think of a garden where weeds grow alongside flowers. Instead of pulling harshly, you water the soil and trim gently. Kids aren't machines to be programmed, they're ecosystems needing care. Dr. Becky's approach waters that soil, focusing on why behaviors appear instead of just erasing them. Once you see a kid's misbehavior as a call for help, you stop policing and start partnering. That shift diffuses power struggles and fills parents with unexpected patience. Dr. Becky's wisdom: your child's bad moment is really a good inside moment waiting to be understood. Now imagine leading your kid like a confident captain, not a harsh drill sergeant. Dr. Becky shows how strong leadership soothes fears and builds trust instead of rebellion. In one example, Dr. Becky shares Mom Sarah's struggle saying no to screen time without a meltdown. Instead of stiff rules, Sarah explains, "No screen now so we can have fun dinner." That simple, warm no changed everything. Amelia felt cared for, not controlled, and cooperation followed. Think of leadership like piloting a ship through fog. The captain sets clear direction but speaks calmly. Rigid control is like storm yelling, it jolts everyone. Warm boundaries provide safe shores. Kids can navigate confidently, knowing where they can and can't go without fear or rebellion. Parents often burn out chasing compliance. But Dr. Becky reveals when leadership is compassionate, parents breathe easier. Fewer battles, more connection. It's not about control but steady guidance, a surprising trade-off where everyone wins, including you. Here's a truth bomb: parenting guilt is the poison that Dr. Becky wants to flush. Replacing guilt with confidence is the secret superpower behind good inside parenting. Dr. Becky tells about Jack, a dad who raked himself over the coals after his son's tantrum. Instead of blame, she asked Jack to notice what he did right, like staying present and calm. That simple pivot stopped guilt from draining his energy and restored his belief in himself. Your inner critic feeds on assumptions, like a broken record spinning worst-case stories. Dr. Becky compares it to a glitchy app that runs misleading updates. Using clear evidence, like how your kid responds to your patience, you can shut down lies and reinstall a balanced view of your parenting. Small shifts add up: a calm conversation here, a boundary held there. Soon you find yourself leading with steady confidence instead of reactionary stress. Dr. Becky's insight: confidence isn't flawless parenting, it's trusting your capacity to learn and grow alongside your kid. Remember Amelia's blocks? What felt like chaos was really a silent SOS. When you pause, ask why, and lead with warmth, you meet your child's good inside. This simple mindset turns meltdowns into connections. Tonight, try this. Next time your child acts out, take a breath and invite curiosity instead of control. Watch the magic begin. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.